Good morning, sir. This is our discussion about compartmentation and how this affects watertight integrity.
Compartmentation in a ship or other watercraft refers to the division of the vessel's interior into separate watertight compartments. This is achieved through bulkheads, which are essential walls or partitions that extend from the keel to the deck. The purpose of compartmentation is to limit the extent of flooding in the event of damage to the hull.
If a compartment is the bridge, and the water enter the bulkhead, prevent the water from spreading of others area of the ship. This significant enhances watertight integrity, meaning of the ship ability to remain afloat even which significant hull damage. The more compartments a vessel has, a greater is the resiliency to floating, and the higher its chance survival. Without compartmentation, a single hole in the hull could lead to the entire vessel sinking. Therefore, compartmentation is the circle safety. Future at the dramatically improve the watertight integrity and overall safety of a ship.